I'm here in front of Lord's, in front of the Grace Gate, and it's raining here in London. There's prediction of 85% rain until 11 when the match is supposed to start. But here I found these gentlemen, two of them in India jerseys, and they are all Indian supporters here to see the women's match. Now, we have seen for the men's match, there has been chock-a-block audiences. Not as much for women's matches, so I'm really glad to see these gentlemen here. Sir, you start, what's your name?
Mukesh.
And where in India are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Baroda, Gujarat.
From Baroda in Gujarat, and you live here. Where do you live here?
Leicester.
Leicester, and you've come all the way to see the women's matches, but I see one of you is wearing a Virat Kohli jersey.
Yeah, me.
Can please turn around and show our viewers? That's Virat Kohli here. Sir, please could you come closer to the camera? That's Virat here. Yes, sir. So he's a Virat Kohli supporter, but that doesn't stop him from supporting women's cricket. Sir, could you please pass the microphone to him? So, it's not an either-or situation. You can support men's cricket and women's cricket. Yesterday, I was here to cover the press conference and the women's practice. Sadly, I was the only Indian journalist for the larger part of the practice. There were one or two others who then disappeared. This is the treatment we give to our women cricketers. Sir, please tell us about your support for women's cricket.
Yeah, my name is Pramod Patel. I am living in Gujarat and Navsari. I am living UK in Leicester. Yes, support to women cricket.
And do you have anyone in your family, because, everyone wants to be a cricketer these days, men or, a lot of women also. Do you have anyone in your family that plays sport, the cricket?
Yes. My son is like to cricket. This is a cricket is play.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sir, so tell me something. So what is incredible, yesterday I saw some of the parents, there are net bowlers here inside who are local people and their parents sometimes come in. But, you have nobody in your family who, maybe a daughter or a niece, nobody who's playing women's cricket. You've just come to support the team. And that's the kind of viewership that we want. Sir, tell us about your support for women's cricket. Who are you looking out for? Who is the player that you are looking out for?
I am Saif Ali Verma and Sir Smriti Mandhana. She very good player is cricket. So I support this lady.
So you're supporting Smriti Mandhana. Now, how many people know yesterday was Smriti Mandhana's birthday? Yesterday when I was here for the practice, I met Smriti. I wished her happy birthday, took a picture with her. How many Indian journalists were there? How many even knew it was Smriti's birthday? If it's Virat's birthday, but you guys have turned up to support the team, right? That's important. But everyone knows when it's Virat's birthday or Rohit's birthday, everyone wishes them. What about Smriti? No single Indian journalist was here. So I'm so happy to see you gentlemen here on this rainy morning. Do go in and support the team. They are playing really well. And thank you for joining me here on this video. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.